ॐ वासुदेवं रमाकान्तं नत्वा लौगाक्षिभास्करः कुरुते जैमिनिनये प्रवेशायार्थसङ्ग्रहम्। श्रुतिलिङ्गवाक्यप्रकरणस्थानसमाख्या समाख्यानां समवाये
पारदौर्बल्यं विप्रकर्षात्।
पारदौर्बल्यम् अर्थविप्रकर्षात्. So in this commentary I have another one on page number 90. They have explained how if you use linga, then there will be 4 steps to arrive at the meaning. If you use shruti, it will be 2 steps. It's also given in the PDF that I have shared. This is on page number 25, 7th line from the bottom. But I will just tell you in the summary form that if you have linga, then first swa avidheya artha pratipadanam. That linga will do swa avidheya artha pratipadanam. That is kadachana starirati nendra sashchisi dashushe in this mantra. So the abhideya artha becomes known in this. Then vastu prakashana samarthya nirupanam. This is the second one. That this mantra is revealing Indra Paraka mantra. Then Angangi Bodhaka Shruti Kalpana. This is the next one. That there is Anga, Angi, Indrasya Upasthapanam. This kind of Kalpana you will have. So that means a Shruti has to be there which will do Indrasya Upasthapanam. And then Viniyoga. So Indrasya Pujanam Ityadi. On the other hand, if there is a direct Shruti, Aindra Garha Patyam Upatishthate, in that Swavideya Artha Pratipadanam of Garha Patyam and then Viniyoga. So this is the Bheda. This is why Shruti is Prabala, because you don't have to do Kalpanas. Now let us do Linga. Linga Nirvachanam, page number 26. Shabda Samarthyam Lingam. This is the definition, this we should know. Shabda Samarthyam Lingam Yatha Ahuhu. Repeat after me. Samarthyam Sarva Shabdanam
सामर्थ्यं सर्वशब्दानां
लिंगमित्यभिधीयते.
Only this much sentence is given. Samarthyam Sarva Shabdanam Lingam. What is Lingam? Sarva Shabdanam Samarthyam. The Shakti of Shabda is called Linga. Samarthyam is Shakti. What is Samarthyam here? Shabda Shakti is in Rudhi. Rudhi means that artha which comes to my mind directly, without any lakshana, without any yaugika artha. That is called Rudhi. So Shabda has these 2 main meanings, yaugika artha and Rudhi artha. Gauhu. What is the yaugika artha of Gauhu? You know?
इंद्रिय समूह.
Huh?
इंद्रिय समूह. इंद्रिय.
No. The yogic artha means vyutpatya ka artha. Through vyutpatti, what meaning comes?
गोः चरति इति गौः.
Gacchati iti gau. That which goes is called a cow. But this meaning will have ativyapti in so many things because everything is going. So gacchati iti gauhu may be yogic artha, but rudhi it is in only cow. This pashu alone is called gauhu. So in this way, Rudhi is very clear that only this has to be used. That is the Pada Shakti. That Gau Pada has a Shakti. When I do Shravanam, I know what you are talking about. We don't get confused in this regard, right? See further in the Moolam. Tena Samakhyatah Asya Bhedah. Tena Samakhyato Bhedah. So, Bheda means it is Bhinnam. Bheda means Anyanya Bhava. So, it is different. How that is given in the Tika there. Samakhya means the Yaugika Shabda is different from Rudhi. Rudhi is Linga. Rudhi Swarupa Linga is different from Yaugika Artha. Yaugika Artha is Samakhya. So, Tena Samakhyatah is Panchami. It is different from Yaugika Artha. Rudhi Artha is different from Yaugika Artha because two Arthas are there. Further, Yaugika Shabda Samakhyato Rudhyatmaka Linga Shabdasya Bhinnatvat. He is just explaining that Purva Vakya clearly. Samarthyat. Tena Samakhyatah Asya Bhedah. Yaugika Shabda Samakhyatah. From the Yaugika Shabda Samakhya, Rudhyatma Linga is Bhinna. And then he gives Vaidika Drishtanta. Tena Bahir Deva Sadanam Dami iti mantrasya Kushalavanangatvam na tu Ulapadi Lavanangatvam. Barhir Deva Sadanam Dami. Dami is Dap Dhatu. Dap Lavane means to cut. So this mantra and Barhir Shabda is referring to Kusha grass, Kusha Lavanam, cutting of the Kusha. How? Offering it as a dwelling place for the Devata. Deva Sadanam, Devasya Sadanam. Sadanam means any abode. Barhir Deva Sadanam Dami iti mantrasya Kushalavanangatvam natu Ulapadi Lavanangatvam. Ulapa is similar kind of thing. Yaugika Artha can go there, but Rudhi Artha is only in Barhir, means in Kusha. Barhir is for Kusha. Yaugika Artha can go in Ulapa, but you have to use only Rudhi Artha. Tasya Barhir Dami iti lingat tallavanam prakashayitum samarthatvat. Barhir Dami iti lingat. So that linga, this is the indicator, it refers to that. So through this, Kushalavana Samarthyam, Kushalavana Prakashanam happens through this, not the Ulapadi. Ulapadi Trana Chedanam is not the Anga. That is given there in the Hindi Tika at the end of this. Barhir Deva Sadanam Dami यह मंत्र कुशलवन छेदन का अंग होता है. समाख्या के बल से कुश सदृश उलपादि तृण विशेष के छेदन का अंग नहीं होता है. कुश उलपादि तृण विशेष which is कुश सदृश but not कुश. Why? क्योंकि बर्हिष पद की रूढ़ी कुश में ही है. It is not in उलप। इस लिंग से इस मंत्र में कुशलवन प्रकाशन सामर्थ्य ही है। So this is the whole objective of linga. He explains in the another one now. Evam अन्यत्रापि लिंगात विनियोगो द्रष्टव्यः। अन्यत्रापि through linga vinyoga. Earlier he glorified Shruti. Now after Shruti, linga. This is linga complete. And earlier we saw Akhyatattva and Lingtva. There it is not Lingatva. It is Lingtva. This is Linga Purna. लिंगाद विनियोगो द्रष्टव्यः अन्यत्र अपि। तदिदं लिंगम वाक्यादिभ्यो बलवत्। वाक्यादिभ्यो बलवत् आदिपदेन
प्रकरण
स्थान प्रकरण
प्रकरण स्थान and समाख्या, only three, because Shruti is already first, Linga is second, Lingam is balavat, then Vakya, etc. So now etc. means three. Ataeva, he gives another drishtanta now. स्योनं ते सदनं कृणोमि इति मंत्रस्य पुरोडाश सदन करणांगत्वं सदनं कृणोमि इति लिंगात् न तु वाक्यात्. Here through linga there is vinyoga, not through vakya. In Hindi Tika they have given another drishtanta also. Agnaye jushtam nirvapami. But let us just focus on the moolam. Syonam te sadanam kronomi. This is the drishtanta, right? Syonam te sadanam kronomi. Iti mantrasya, this mantra. So what is this mantra about? Dhritasya dharaya sushevam kalpayami tasmin sidamrite pratitishta prihinam medha sumanasya mana. This is given on page 27, fifth line from the bottom. In the other tika they have elaborated. Oho purodasha te tavasyonam samichinam. Syonam means samichinam. Sadanam kronomi. Kronomi means karomi. Tacha sthanam hritasya dharaya. Ghee dhara they will do. And where that falls, that is your sthanam. Hritasya dharaya sushevam. Sushtu sevitum yogyam kalpayami. O vrihi. Vrihi sarabhuta. So the essence of these grains. Tvam sumanasya manah samahita manaskah san tasmin amrite samichina sthane sida upavisha pratitishta tatra sthiro bhava ityartha. Like this you might have heard, in the mantras, iha gaccha, iha tishtha, iha sannidha. So all this is that devata avahanam is done, some place is given. So here linga is what is used. Tasmin amrite samichina sthane. This is where the ajya dhara is falling. There in that samichina sthane, sida upavishta pratitishta. So be there, sthira. This is the meaning of that mantra. So here, Purodasha sadana karanangatvam sadanam kronomi. Through this linga, the Purodasha sadana karanangatvam happens, not through vakya, not through vakya. This much, let us keep for now. Here, there is some Purva Paksha also discussed. We will see. If we have time later, then we will discuss. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.